Hello, Jamaica. I am Kevar Bennett. I'm judicial spokesperson on housing and sustainable living. I'm a candidate for the Mountainside Division in southwestern St. Elizabeth. My desire for Christmas for Jamaica and beyond is for every Jamaican to have the ability to own an affordable house through the National Housing Trust that was established in the 1970s by the Honorable Michael Manley. The next PNP government will focus on building sustainable communities. Sustainable communities, through the National Housing Trust, will build smart homes with infrastructures such as water harvesting capacities and solar energy systems that are in close proximity to schools, health centers, churches, and of course different communities. Because we want to ensure that the homes that we build, they can withstand the climatic changes. Not every Jamaican, especially young people like you and I, will be able to afford a housing at any price. Therefore, we need to develop a rent-to-buy initiative or rent-to-own initiative. So Jamaica, have a very Merry Christmas and a powerful 2024. Thank you.